Celeste Jones and Meta-C in the metaverse. Here today at the Crypto Connect Expo in West Palm Beach, Florida. Do you want to know how Web3 has done something wonderful for this universe? Do you want to know why Web3 is for the better? Well, today you're going to find out. And you are?
My name is Volen, and I'm with PlayOne NFT. We're a music NFT marketplace. What we do is we try to provide an access point and a distribution channel for artists to actually get a fair market value for their creation, whether it's music, whether it's videos. The current business models are kind of messed up in that space, so we wanted to create something new to really allow artists to continue being artists. You don't have to have a day job to just continue being a musician.
A short break for a quick thank you to our sponsor, Oditto.io, partnering with established artists to build out metaverse galleries, curate, mint, market, promote, and sell their NFTs with strategic success. Check it out, Oditto.io.
So, Volen, what are you actually, I'm kind of curious about this music because that is for the better and it is helping musicians. Can you elaborate a little bit about this platform for musicians?
Yes, absolutely. So the platform is actually be a free download app. It's called PlayOne NFT. The idea is to remove some of the barriers to entry. A lot of Web3 platforms are very, computer website based. You need a crypto wallet to log in, to create an account. We want to just remove some of those barriers to entry and have something that's easily accessible, a free download app that then you can start curating your own collection of NFT music videos, and then kind of build in some actual monetization models in that for artists. Because right now, streaming platforms, it takes you 1 million streams to earn $4,000 as an artist, which is not sustainable. And so we wanted to kind of monetize and incentivize music collection, because right now the model is I pay, I listen, I pay, I listen, and that's it. There is no earning potential for any of the fans.
I love it. That's awesome. Thank you so much. And Celeste Jones and Meta-C in the metaverse.
Thank you guys.